3 and 2 baseball, box number 6. Chase Villa. Alright, let's get it. Best teams in this. The top 10 was Cincinnati, Pittsburgh, Yankees, I think Nationals, what the chase filler was. Reds, Royals, Yankees, Pirates, Padres, Giants, Mariners, Rays, Rangers, Nationals. Alright. Best team, probably Pittsburgh with Paul Skeens. Yeah, Rocky. Speaking of, how about it? Finally, little Paul Skeens dropping. He's on Pittsburgh. Jose. Look at that. Amador's sick too. 23 of 32. Little pink rookie jersey rocks, Calvin. There he is on card. Jersey auto Skeens. Finally get to see him. The 80 of 99. Nice hit, Jose. It's weird. Some boxes have 3 cards and some have 2. I don't get it. Alright, this one's got a little thickness on it. Ooh, blank slates off the top. Roger Clemens. Nice to the Boston Red Sox. Good box. Jimmy Buckets. A case hit. Thanks. Slates are thick. Thick this year. We got Mel Otts, 11 to 99. I'll have to see which New York team he goes to. And timeless moments. Nice. Larry Doby. 51 to 99. Cleveland's. Isn't that his Guardians, Calvin? Very cool. And great box. 20th, 1952. Teammate Luke Easter topped their circuits. Starting the line, the outfielder topped the first career club in the 4th inning shot. Finished with 32 jacks. First black player to lead either league in homers. That's sweet. Oh, the timeless. And great box. Great box, great box. Let's see, no Boston Jimmy Buckets. Okay, he's hit 5. Pirates, Jose. Rocks, Calvin. Alright, let me do a little checklist in here real quick. Oh my god, let's see the action. Oh, my back. So Larry's, Cleveland, New York. Who's that? Mel Ott. A different New York team? What else does New York have? Is it New York Giants? Is that a team? You San Fran? That's, yep, New York Giants. Mel goes to San Francisco. San Fran. Chris. Got the odds. So is that Cleveland's Calvin. 3-2, so sweet. Guys, a 3-2 baseball box number 6. Thanks for jumping in, everybody.